Last chapter, chapter 10. The definition of physiotherapy. Physiotherapy is a discipline of the medicine where physical methods such as the remedial exercise, manipulation of massage or other exercise or other electrical modulation are used to improve or relieve the physical ailment. The physiotherapy is a science which is used to improve the movement of dysfunction to promote the function of the human body and optimal health. It involves the maintenance, assessment, restoration of the physical functions and the body performance. The physical therapy, also physiotherapy, provide the treatment to individual to develop the maintain and restore maximum movement and function throughout the life. It is a remedial supplementary procedure used along with the oral medicine. Physiotherapy is a treatment measure for the physical and electrical means of the accelerated the patient recovery from injuries and disease. It is form of the treatment carried out through the medium of physical forces such as the heat, electricity, water, massage and exercise with or without the resuscitation. The physical therapy uses the physical agent for the treatment. A patient, the following list are the common physical agents used in the physiotherapy. The physiotherapist utilize any most combination of the following for physical modalities for treating the ailment. Form of the energy. The modalities: medical, mechanical energy, exercise and massage; heat energy, heat metabolity; the electrical energy, electrical appliances used for the treatment; sound energy, modality using the sound energy; light energy, modality using the energy in the form of light; the electromagnetic energy, modality applying the electromagnetic wave. The branches of the physiotherapy. Physiotherapy is a complex specialty as it deals with that all disciplines of the medicine. Development in the field have the resulted in the variety of sub-specialization as well as musculoskeletal physiotherapy, thoracic physiotherapy, neurological physiotherapy in the rehabilitation, physiotherapy in the obstetrics, sport physiotherapy, in fitness, pediatric physiotherapy, and orthopedic physiotherapy. Treatment of modes of physiotherapy: manual method of the treatment, joint mobilization and the manual stretching; the posture drainage, the lifting technique, therapeutic exercise, soft attitude manipulation, aerobic and the fitness guided sport techniques, exercise, taping, strapping, bandage. Non-manual method for treating: shortwave diatherapy, the microwave diathermy, ultrasound therapy, the interferential therapy, the electrical stimulation, wax bath, contrast bath, cryptotherapy, hydrotherapy, laser therapy, hot packs, ultraviolet rays, tractions. Aim of physiotherapy: treatment of the disability and the deformity of the patient, correction of the disability and deformity of the patient, the prevention of the disability and deformity of the patient, and the preparations of the patient to live with the disability and deformity, the promotion of the health and physical well-being by maximizing the motility and the functioning ability throughout all the life stages. The utility of physiotherapy. Physiotherapy is often as complementary to other treatment but it is practiced individually as well as. Physiotherapy is important for rehabilitation in medicine, orthopedics, the surgery, neurological, gynecology and dermatology. Physiotherapists use their knowledge and skills to improve a range of conditions associated with a different system of body. There are potentially three different areas of the practice in physiotherapy include the physiotherapy in conjunction with the medical treatment. This method uses a combination of physiotherapy and medicine to relieve the person's physical problems such as neurological problems like stroke, Parkinson's disease, sclerosis, etc. The neuromuscular, skeletal, back pain, sport injuries, arthritis, etc. Serious problems like chronic heart disease, rehabilitation after heart attack, rehabilitation after paralysis, bone fracture, accident, respiratory problem like asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, the cystic fibrosis. Physiotherapy in conjunction with the surgical treatment. Physiological care before and after the surgery is combined with the surgical procedure for an effective treatment. Isolated physiotherapy. Sometimes physiotherapy treatment alone is sufficient. Importance of the physiotherapy. Physiotherapy has been a very effective tool against the pain and injury ranging from minor to the major problem. To get rid of muscles tenderness or immobility, respiration disease treatment are also carried by this technique. The coughing, vibration, cupped technique, clapping, etc. involve the use of physiotherapist technique, frequently proving the importance of the physiotherapy. Whiplash injury is a condition due to the vehicle accident which may result in the disease and numbness, pain in the shoulder and neck muscle, ringing of bell in the ear and such others. The orthopedics treat sports injuries, fractures, joints disorder, amputation, back and neck, arthritis, and post-operative condition, orthopedics. The physiotherapy takes place in a private practice depending on the stage of the condition. Neurological disorders such as the stroke, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, cerebral palsy, and spinal cord injury make up a great percentage of physiotherapy case load. In pediatrics, children suffering with a cerebral palsy, physiotherapy is essential in helping to reduce the spasticity and the deformity, improve the posture control, train the children in the exercising devices, and do all the necessary to maximize the child's functional independence. Exercise is a performance of the physical exertions of the environment, improvement of the health of the correction of the physical deformment. Exercise therapy is a mean of accelerating the patient recovery from a stage of disease which alter his or her normal way of living. Aim of exercise therapy: promotion of the activity whereas possibility to minimize the effect of the inactivity, corrections of the inefficiency of a specific or a group of muscles, and regain normal range of the motion in a joint. 3. Accelerations of the rehabilitation process of a patient and encourage them to use the ability to return to perform the normal function. The classification of exercise therapy: active, voluntary, assisted resistance, or passive manual mobilization, relaxed passive movement. Static exercise or muscle strengthening exercise. Static exercise, also known as the isometric exercise, are a form of training where the body performs little to no movement while the voluntary contraction and relaxation of the muscle. Skeletal muscle fiber. Static structure is the placement of the muscle and connective tissue at the greatest length by the steady force in the direction of lengthening. Short duration force can be obtained manually, but special traction devices, splint, and the cast are generally used to apply the low intensity forces for the prolonged period, 30 minutes or more. In this exercise, exert muscle through the contraction at high intensity without movement of joints, bonding the soft tissue before or during the stretchment, while will generally facilitate the lengthening. Goal: the stretch for the between 15 to and 30 seconds depending on the body fitness level and trying to achievements. It includes method of maintaining the muscle strength and the tone by alternative contracting and relaxing a skeletal muscle or group of the skeletal muscle without the moving the associated body part. This kind of activity is very useful in preventing the atrophy of the muscle, especially in the patient with condition involving the joint problems. It is beneficial in increasing the endurance, strength, and the tone of the muscle. Static strengthening is used to stretch the muscle while the body is attached. It is composed of various techniques that gradually lengthen a muscle to an elongated position and hold that position for 30 seconds, 2 minutes. 30 seconds is a minimum duration to get the benefits of stretching, whereas the 2 minutes is the maximum time. During this holding period or the directly afterward, participant may feel a mild discomfort or the warm sensation in the muscle. Advantage and importance of the static muscle: static strengthening is the preferred stat system and is very safe and effective. Feel the stretch not been stretched. Static strengthening exercise involve the static stabilization, tension, etc. in our muscle. When done static strengthening slightly lessens the sensitivity of the tension receptors, which allow them to relax and to be stretched to be the greater length. The static strength helps the flexible and counter attack the repetitive movement of the exercise when performed correctly and at the right time. Static stretch help the lengthen tight muscles and improve the body balance and overall fitness. A good stretch session also help relieve stretch and the tension. Contraindications of the static exercise: joint instability, disease affecting the tissue being stretched like the rheumatoid arthritis, the acute injury, the vascular injury, example thromboembolism, infections, high blood pressure. Benefit of the static exercise: muscle endurance, toning, and the time saving. The precautions in static exercise: muscle endurance क्या होता है, static training is very stimulates on the CNS that occur very quickly while performing the static hold, making the muscle fatigue faster than the performing a standard eccentric concentric exercise. In this order, body to handle the stress placed upon it, the muscle fiber have to adapt with a high state of fatigue. This result in the muscle being able to perform the same exercise more easily the next time. The muscle strength is a great advantage to the static hold in the ability to increase the muscle strength without lifting heavy objects. Any static muscle required to engage every single muscle fiber to their fullest capacity. As a result, muscle have to get stronger in the order to perform the movement of a longer period of time or more difficult angle. The toning since static hold the increased muscle strength resulting in large muscle tonic or only apply when muscle enlarge. Time saving most static exercise based workout should take no longer than 20 to 30 minutes to attempt a longer workout, but CNS wouldn't allow to continue when body says it's time to stop the exercise. The added bonus is the time saved in your workout. Precaution in static exercise. Static exercise tend to drive up blood pressure in an instant. There's a people with a circulation problem and high blood pressure should avoid the overexerting pressure without muscle movement. One should not hold the breath with while performing these exercise, as this would leading to the increase in the blood pressure. Professional advice is always highly recommended, not recommended for the children and adolescent whose bones are still growing. There are higher chances of damage to the tendon and connective tissue. Don't force a joint beyond its normal range of the motion. This can lead to the instability of the joint. Not recommended in patients suffering from osteoporosis or taking the steroid. The risk of fracture is elevated. Avoid the aggressive strengthening of the muscle. They have been immobilized in a split or the cast. Avoid the strengthened swelling and the edematous tissue as they are more subjective. Beware of the shake is one common occurrence of the static exercise. The shaking, this happens when you contract your muscle so intensively your muscle fiber make your body jitter like you are out of the carry without a jacket. Don't worry, this is normal. It's your muscle fiber taking the turn bearing of the load of the exercise. Each one is a rapid fire mode in order to hold your body bold position. Some static exercises: neck flexion, extension, neck lateral leg flexion, stretch latissimus dorsi and posterior deltoid stretch, tricep stretch, shoulder rotator stretch, pectoral stretch at 90 degree and 120 degree, bicep stretch, supraspinatus stretch, wrist stretch, the thoracic extension stretch, lateral flexion, lumbar extension and abdominal stretch. Next one is electrotherapy. What is electrotherapy? Treatment of the by the electrophysical modulation, which include the low, medium as high frequency current is called the electromagnet. This includes the actinotherapy and the halotherapy. Actinotherapy, the word acti Greek means a ray treatment by using a ray using a lamp as a source is known as actinotherapy. Halotherapy, the treatment by the sun is called the halotherapy. Electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum contain the following kind of the radiation which are distinguished by the different wavelength. Electromagnetic spectrum: radio wavelength 0.12 mm to 100 kg. The infrared visible light, infrared 750 nm to 0.4 mm, the visible light 400 mm to 7. The infrared 750 nm to 0.4 nm, visible light 400 nm to 750 nm, ultraviolet 10 nm to 400 nm, X-ray 0.1 to 0.01 pm to 100 nm, and the gamma ray is not specific. Infrared therapy. The infrared radar, the electromagnetic wave with the wavelength of 750 nm to 40,000 nm. It lies beyond the red boundary of the visible spectrum. Any hot body can produce the infrared, like the sun, electric bulb, burning coal, fire and gas fire, etc. Sun is a natural source of infrared radiation. There are three categories: near IRs, mid IRs, and far. Near 0.76 to 1.56 micron, mid IR 1.5 to 4 micron, and the far IR 4 to 1000 micron. According to the biological research for IR rays are absorbed very easily by the human body. It helps in all the aspects of the body growth and the development. This far IR rays are also called light of the life. When its intensity is higher to overcome high in the body, we feel healthy and will be able to overcome ailment. However, when it is beginning to decline, body will be subjected to the ailment. Infrared devices, the physiotherapy infrared rays are produced by the two generation. The non-luminous generate produce only infrared rays. The luminous generation produce the infrared rays, UV and visible light. Non-luminous generator consists of the coil wound or the cylinder of the insulting material like propylene. An electric current is passed through the wire, which result in the production of the heat. This heat produce infrared rays, which are transmitted through the propylene. The propylene get heated and generate the radiation, including the visible light. To avoid the visible ray coil to embedded in the fire clay or the placed behind the fire clay. Now the emission of the rays in from the fire clay, which is commonly painted black, and thus very few visible rays are produced. The coil is placed at the spherical reflector. The reflector is mounted on the ejectable stand. Uses non-luminous generator having wavelength of 750 to 15,000 nm, and it penetrates to the superficial dermis. It is useful in the acute inflammation of cases of recent injury. The luminous generator are in the form of incandescent lamp or bulbs. This lamp is made up of the tungsten filament and filled with the inert gas at the low temperature. Uses a luminous generator having the wavelength of 350 4000 nm, and it penetrates to dermis and epidermis. It is useful in the disease lesions which are chronic in nature. उसके बाद है physiological effect. The IR produce heating effect in the superficial epidermis, resulting in the vasodilatation, the increased oxygen supply, nutrition supply, drainage of the waste product, resulting in the relief of the pain. इसके बाद है procedure. Patient is prepared by removing the clothing from the affected part of the sensation to the cold and the heat is treated on the skin. Patient should be contaminated about risk of the uncomfortable warmth, and that should be reported immediately to avoid the burns. Undue movement during therapy should be avoided. The lamp should be positioned above the 25 to 50 centimeter away from the skin of the patient and arranged in the way that the radiation falls on the skin of the patient at the angle of 90 degree. Duration of treatment is between 10 to 15 minutes. Uses increases the blood coagulation, wound healing, the decrease inflammation, the relief pains, the improve metabolism, long-term exposure, improve health and immunity, induce muscle relaxation. The contraindication area of anesthesia: patient of arterial disease, eczema, the gastric ulcer and hemorrhage. Disadvantages: burn, electric shock, overdose, headache, injury of eyes, faintness and gangrene. The short wave diathermy is a Greek word which means heating. The deep head modality involves the therapeutic application of high frequency electromagnetic wave. The short wave diathermy current consists having the frequency between 10 to the power 7 to 10 to the power 8 hertz, and the wavelength between 30 and 3 mm to generate the heat in the body tissue. The therapeutically use of frequencies and wavelength are 27.30 to 3 mm to generate heat in the body tissue. The therapeutically use of frequency and the wavelength are 27.10 megahertz and 11 m. The high frequency current being used to provide impulse with the duration of 27.12 megahertz and 11 m. The high frequency current being provide the impulse with the duration of 0.001 ms, which is beyond the range of the nerve stimulation. Thus there is no discomfort and no muscle contraction is produced. The patient should feel only a comfortable heat. For the therapeutic benefit, the tissue temperature should be elevated to between 40 degree to 45 degrees Celsius. Continuous supervision and the observation of the patient are required at clinically equivalent energy shortwave dimethermy and increase the subcutaneous fat and temperature 15 degrees Celsius and muscle temperature by 4 to 6 degrees Celsius at the depth of 4 to 5 degree Celsius 4 to 5 centimeter. Method of application: proper application and turning of the are required for the modality. The patient electrical impedance become part of the impedance of the patient own circuit. The patient circuit must be set to the resonance, so the patient's circuit frequency is equal to that of the machine. Heating utilization depend on the coupling of the radio wave to the patient. There are two methods of application: capacitor field method and cable method. Inductive coil method: the capacitor field method. In this, the electrode and the patient tissues form a capacitor. The electrode are placed on the either side of the affected part, separated from the skin of the patient by the insulated material. The capacitance depend on the size of the electrode. Difference between the electrode tissue between the electrode. Two different types of electrode are applying the catheter. Capaciting method, the cable method. In this, thick and the insulated cable is used for the treatment purpose. The cable is coiled around the patient's body and is separated from the patient's body by a layer of insulating material. The effect of the electric field or the magnetic field or both is used in this type of diathermy. Capable method is especially used for the treating large area which cannot be covered between the electrode. Example: extensive array. A transfer technique is applied to treat a large autonomic area with the primary concentration at the midpoint between the electrode. The treatment time: initial stage 5 to 10 minutes and the moderate stage 10 to 20 minutes. Severe 20 to 30 minutes. Indications and contraindication: inflammation, joint or tissue pain, recent tissue burn and injuries, ligament sprain and strains, low back ache, postoperative are rheumatoid arthritis, PID, tennis elbow, calculitis, plantar fasciitis, periodontitis, hematoma, tenosynovitis, tendinitis, muscle sprain, muscle with a tendon, tear, bell palsy, degeneration of the joint of the neck, cabellum, sinusitis. The contraindication: the fluctuating blood pressure, high fever, pregnancy, active menses, tuberculosis of the bone, malignancy, ischemia, area of arteriosclerosis, severe kidney and the heart problem, very sensitive skin, very lost person with untreated phlebitis, mental retarded individual, mental containing intrauterine contraceptive devices, metallic implements of the foreign body, person using the cardiac pacemaker, contact lenses, metal in the contact with the skin, application over the moisturizing. Advantage: hyperemia, sedation and the analgesic are basic physiological effect. The reduction in the muscle spasm, the relaxation of the muscle effective in the controlling of bacterial infection, relieves pain, reducing the healing time, increase vascular system apply to the treated. Disadvantage: burn, shock, electric sparking, faintness, scar, overdose. Precautions: patient should be placed as a wooden table or the chair where shortwave diathermy is applied. The table or the chair being used for the patient should be not contain any metal as interfere with the field of the shortwave diathermy. Skin of the skin should be open, exposed wherever possible to the benefit. Extreme care must be used to the pediatric or the geriatric patient. The shortwave diathermy unit should be turned to low power or the per patient tolerance and the meter reading should be properly documented. The patient must be instructed to remain motionless because the movement affect the amplitude of the heat concentrated being applied. Electromagnetic therapy. The electromagnetic therapy are the electromagnetic field therapy to the therapy involving the use of electromagnetic substance which attract the iron pieces and set itself in the north and the south pole when it is freely suspended. The property is known as magnetism. The type of magnetism are of two types: natural and artificial. Natural often irregular in the shape and they are weak. Artificial, it is found that a piece of iron and steel can require the magnetic properties on rubbing with the magnetic. Such magnets made out of the iron and the steel are called the artificial magnets. Artificial magnet have the desired shape and the strength. Example: horseshoe magnet and the magnetic needle, etc. Electromagnetic. A simple electromagnet consists of a coil of insulated wire wrapped around an iron core. The strength of the magnetic field generated in a proportion to the amount of the current. The magnetic therapy is a type of physiotherapy as it uses the electromagnetic energy and it is very effective, safe and the invasive cure. The magnetic therapy regenerates the effective, safe and non-invasive cure. The magnetic therapy regenerates the injured cell by improving the enzyme secretion and repolarize the cellular membrane. Furthermore, it produces an anti-stress action and promote the acceleration of all the reparative phenomena with a bioregeneration, anti-inflammatory and analgesic action without any side effect. Duration, it depends on the nature of the disease and patient tolerance. It can be used once a day or twice as a condition. In the beginning, it should be used for 5 minutes. Later, the duration can be increased but not more than 10 minutes. In cases of joint pain, gout, arthritis, it can be used up to the 30 minutes. Do not take bath up to the 1 hour after the treatment. The benefit relies the pain. It acts as a potent analgesic. It accelerates the healing process. It stimulates the cellular axis. It improves the flow of the nutrition and the oxygenation of the tissue. It reduces the inflammation. It stimulates the reabsorption of the edema. Precautions of the contraindication: pregnancy, individual with the pacemaker or the similar devices, the bleeding wound, the complication, heaviness, headache, sleeping symptoms, wax bath therapies and applications of the molten paraffin wax on the body parts. Wax treatment is useful for the medical purposes as well as for the skincare. Paraffin wax is a colorless and odorless oily substance obtained from the retained minute crude oil. It is a non-toxic and inert substance and does not cause any adverse reaction when it comes in the contact with the skin. It has very low melting temperature and 40 degrees Celsius and 44 degrees Celsius. Therefore, if the skin is soaked with the molten wax, it is not caused by any burn or the blister. It does not get stuck to the skin as well as the wax solidified from the liquid state. It conducts the heat into the tissue. For all these reasons, it is considered as the most suitable for hot wax bath treatment method of application: dipping and wrapping, immersion, direct pouring, tolling or the bandage brushing method. Wax is melted at 125 degree Fahrenheit in the bathtub. After that, the part of the body that needed treatment is dipped into the molten wax. As that a thin layer of the wax is formed on the surface of the skin, then the wax is allowed to dry for a double coat. It is dipped into the liquefied wax once again, then the coated part is covered with a non-absorbent material. It will help to trap the heat of the wax inside. After the half an hour, when the wax has hardened, it is peeling out. Treatment time: duration for the treatment is about 30 to 40 minutes. Into contraindication and indication: edema and inflammation, excessive dry skin, swelling of hand and RA, the degenerative disease, adhesion and scar, the joint pain caused by the arthritis. Contraindication: open wounds, allergic condition, impaired skin sensitivity, skin rash, defective arterial supply. Benefit: it helps to bring down the itches and pains of the body, relaxes the sore and tired muscle. It hydrated the skin, making it absorbed, making it soft and smooth. It regenerate the skin with the intense moisturizing. Ultrasound therapy: the ultrasound therapy is a deep heating modality that uses the high frequency acoustic mechanical vibrations. The applied frequencies are above the human audible spectrum. The greater than 20 hazards, such as the 20,000 hazards, such wave are beyond the range of the human hearing system and therefore called the ultrasonic. It requires the elastic medium such as air and cannot cross a vacuum. Unlike electromagnetic, ultrasound therapy is based on the biological effect of the ultrasonic oscillation, which are not electric. The frequency of ultrasound: different therapies are employed in the range of 0.5 to 4 MHz. Therapeutic ultrasonography uses a frequency range of 0.8 to 1 megahertz. At 1 megahertz frequency is most useful in the individual with a high percentage of cutaneous fat and whenever the desired effect are in the deeper structure, that is the depth of the penetration about 4 centimeter. At a 3 megahertz, the energy is absorbed in the more superficial tissue with the depth of the penetration about 2 centimeter. The ultrasound therapeutic system: it is generated by the pico electric effect. In the effect, high frequency electrical energy is applied to the crystal, causing the crystal to the vibrate at a high frequency and thereby produce ultrasound. Ultrasound is delivered by the continuous pulsated wave, the goal being to produce non-thermal effects such as the steaming and cavitation and providing a high heating intensity. And ultrasound therapeutic system consists of two main parts: the generator of high frequency electric current. The ultrasound source probe, which consists of the picorized electric transducer. The technique of application: direct contact method. It is in this method the transducer head is applied directly over the skin of the affected part and move continuously in the small concentric circle to avoid the damage of the reflection and to avoid the concentration at particular point. After cleaning the skin, a coupling agent, the ultrasonic gel, is required to provide the effective conduction between the transducer head and the skin surface. The technique can be cover the area up to the 3 minutes. The size of the treatment: the head effectively it is performed where the affected part of the smooth surface. The water bath method: in this method the treatment is given to the patient after submerging the affected part in the water bath, and the distance between the skin and the probe head is kept at about 1 centimeter. Water used for this purpose shall preferably the degazed, or if gas is present, the bubble should be wiped off frequently to avoid the any damage by reflection. इसके बाद है water bag method. This method is used to irregular surface a regular bag filled with the degenerating water and then placed over the skin of the patient. After applying a coupling agent and then transfer the head, it move over the bag as it is moved over the skin of the patient. The disadvantage of this method is that the much energy is absorbed by the rubbing itself. The absorption, the ultrasonic energy is absorbed and the transported into the heat energy as it is propagated through the tissue. This contributes to the thermal effect of the ultrasound. The therapeutic dose is composed by the power output and the size of the ultrasonic instrument. The usual initial dose is 1 W per centimeter square and is adequate to patient tolerance as well as the treatment goals. Selections of the wave from the goals from the continuous and or the pulse intensity and duration in according to the patient. The mode, the transfer, influence the propagation of the ultrasound in tissues are transmitted, absorption and reflection. And the reflection continuous mode produce more heat and is used by the musculoskeletal conditions such as the muscular spasm, joint stiffness, pain, etc. Pulsated mode produce less than heat, so it is used for the soft tissue repair like tendinite. Dosage: there are three factors determine the ultrasound dosage as follows: size of the treatment, age, the depth of the lesion from the surface, the nature of the lesions. The duration of treatment: size of area determine the treatment time, that is 1 to 2 minutes for every centimeter square. Maximum time 8 minutes, minimum time 1 to 2 minutes, average time 5 minutes. For chronic conditions, longer treatment time. For acute condition, lesser treatment time. Indications and the contraindications: the myofascial pain, muscles spasms, soft tissues, injuries, scar, osteoporosis, tendinitis and fibrosis, varicose ulcer, phantom limb pain, chronic indurate hematoma, resolution plantar warts, ideal for providing the deep higher to the large joint adhesion, calcification, burst joint, kentocket, bone injuries, ulcer, debridement. The contraindication: pregnancy, hemorrhage, thrombophlebitis, cardiac disease, tumor, acute sepsis, antiseptic area, anesthetic area, implants. Precautions: care shall be taken to leave some space between the transducer head of the ultrasonic machine and the skin of the patient to prevent the damage to the head by reflection of the way. To avoid any harm like the hot spot, the transducer head must be avoided. The therapeutic ultrasound effect, the thermal effect are due to the absorption of the ultrasound will localize in the temperature of the tissue, giving the sedative effect and promote the healing. Extensively of the collagen is increased, which help in the strengthening of the scars or the adhesion. The cavitation effect, it is a type of normal thermal effect in the ultrasound. The cavitational effect result from the vibrations of the tissue causing the microscopic air bubble to form, which transmit the vibration in the way directly stimulate the cell membrane. This physical stimulation appear to enhance the cell repair, affect all the inflammatory response. It is produced by the stimulation of highly compressible bodies within the tissue. The stable conjugation causes the micro scheme influence cell permeability and the direction of the movement of molecule. Mechanical effect, also known as the micro massage, it is caused by the compression of the cell due to the waves. It affects the movement of the fluid in the intestinal space, reduce edema, increase extensibility of the skull. Biological effect, help in the healing through following method: inflammatory effect, chloroeffective effect, remodeling effect, reflex vasodilation and the temporary analgesics and relieves the muscle, increase cell membrane permeability and the peripheral nerve conduction changes. यहाँ खत्म हो गया पनीर से पूरा।